Step into the world of culinary delights at Prince Casey channel. Today we unveil a special edition filled with kitchen delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience the vibrant aromas and mesmerizing colors of our carefully crafted dishes. With each recipe, you'll learn the art of cooking while enjoying the joy of creating mouth-watering meals. Join us in this flavorful journey and let's cook together.
Welcome friends, you are watching Prince Casey channel, Cooking Delicacy, an FPP network.
Easy Gaajar Halwa, no grating, the instant Gaajar Halwa in pressure cooker. Ingredients: carrots, Gaajar, 1.25 kg ghee, 3 TBS full fat milk, दूध, 1 cup 250 ml sugar, chini, 1 cup 200 gms, cardamom powder, elaichi powder, 1 TSP assorted nuts, chopped dry fruits, handful khoya, grated khoya, 150 gms. First, cut the peeled carrots into large chunks. If the carrots have a thick yellow center, remove it to prevent strands from forming in the halwa. In a pressure cooker, add ghee, carrots, milk and sugar. Pressure cook on high heat until the first whistle. Then, lower the heat and wait for the second whistle before turning off the flame. Let it sit in its own steam for 10 minutes and then remove the lid. Turn the flame back on and cook until the milk is fully reduced. If there are any large chunks remaining, mash them with a ladle. Finally, mix in cardamom powder and chopped nuts. Garnish with khoya and your quick yummy Gaajar halwa is ready.
Thank you for watching Prince KC channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next edition. Until take care and bye bye.